The Trend Pocket Hole Jig compact solutions for fast and accurate joining of timber. Suitable for use on a fixed bench or portably depending on the application. Counterbore holes are drilled through angled guiding columns with a stepped drill bit. The material is joined with square drive self-tapping screws. No pilot holes are needed. It's easy to create different joints for a variety of applications using the Trend Pocket Hole Jig. Inside the box is the jig, step drill bit and collar, screws and screwdriver bits, hex keys and a face clamp. First, get the pocket hole jig into a secure position. In this example, it's secured onto a workbench. Set the clamp into position depending on the thickness of the material. Adjust the clamp pressure by adjusting the clamping pad. The material should be held securely in place. The drill bit depth can be adjusted using the depth collar. The ideal depth is around 3 mm above the jig base. A coin can be used to set this depth. Adjust the guiding columns depending on the size of the material. Lock them in position with the hex key provided. When drilling the holes, regularly withdraw the drill to clear out the chippings. The angled holes should come out clean and crisp. When joining a 90-degree angle, position the material against a batten for support. The square drive self-tapping screws will join the material securely. A torque-controlled screw-driving drill is recommended. A pilot hole is not required. For larger jobs, the jig can be clamped to the actual component.